We'll start the session very soon. Delegates, if they want, they can leave. Thank you so much for your presence. Participants will be starting the sessions very soon. There will be two sessions. First session of Professor Vikas Arora. And although we know that we are almost 45 minutes late, but don't worry. But very important announcement is that there will be a combined inaugural session by AICTE in which Honorable Minister of Education will be present at 3 o'clock sharp. So we will end our both the sessions by 2:45 or 2:35, and after that you have to join the inaugural session of AICTE through, not through Cisco WebEx, but you will join it through the link which we have given, and that link is of YouTube. And even me, means all the organizers of this program will also join only through that YouTube. Rest all of us, participants, organizers, except the panelist. Only the panelist will be speaking in that. And there are 3 vice chancellors from 3 institutions, and Honorable Nishank ji, the education minister, will be the chief guest in that. You have to be there in that program also. Now over to you, Dr. Suyash, for start of the first session. Welcome, Dr. Vikas Arora. Dr. Suyash, please start. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite session planner Diksha, Ms. Diksha, to start with the first session.
Thank you so much, sir. I hope I am audible now.
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you so much, sir, for providing me this opportunity. So, as we know that we start our day with the Ishwar Vandana. So, Om Viswani Dev Savitaru Duritani Parasu Yadra Bhadra Tan Asu. It means, हे सुखों के दाता, ज्ञान के प्रकाशक, सकल जगत के उत्पत्ति करता एवं समग्र ऐश्वर्य युक्त परमेश्वर, आप हमारे संपूर्ण दुर्गुणों, दुर्व्यसनों और दुखों को दूर कर दीजिए, और जो कल्याणकारक गुण, कर्म, स्वभाव, सुख और पदार्थ हैं, उसको हमें भली भांति प्राप्त कराइए. So, without taking much time, I would like to introduce our session chairperson, Dr. Sashi Rekha V. She is a multifaceted professor of management and having more than 20 years of experience in academia. And without taking more explanation on that, as we know that she is very brilliant professor in the field of management. So I will hand over the session to our session chairperson. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Namaste, all of you. Morning. I'm Dr. Sashi Rekha. Thank you, Ms. Diksha. I also take this opportunity to thank the coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Pankaj Nadan, Dr. Suyash, as well as Ms. Diksha for wonderfully coordinating this FDP. I would also like to congratulate the university, the Gurukula Kangri University, Haridwar. As Dr. Pankaj was telling, this is the first FDP by Atal FDP, where the participants are allowed to be the chairperson, session planner, session coordinators. So congratulations, sir, because they generally say that leaders only create leaders. So this shows that the university is creating more leaders, academic leaders. So thanks. And I also thank the 173 participants who are here for attending this FDP. Now I would like to invite, first we'll start with the Vedic chanting. I now like to invite Dr. Upendra Sapati for the Vedic mantra chanting. Please, sir. over to Dr. Upendra Sapati for Vedic mantra chanting.
Upendra sir, you are not on.
I think I
Dr.
it was there at the end of Upendra sir. So I will continue reading the
Yes,
mantra.
please. Yes, Diksha,
pattern.
you should
Uh,
continue. Yes.
yes. So the mantra is from Rig Veda 1.4.4, that is Rehi Vinmastrat Vidrus Pracha Vipashchutam Yase Avaram. To ma'am for the explanation of this and discussion with all the participants.
Yeah. Diksha, can you tell the explanation? Do you have it with you? I'll start with the discussion, but I would like you to tell the meaning of this chanting.
Okay, ma'am. As we know that this session is about leadership, and we just want to give all the mantras of the leadership from all the different scriptures we have. So the Vedic mantra which I read, that is from Rig Veda, and the meaning which a word which specifies, that is Vipashchutam is in this, and the Vipashchutam in this is a brilliant scholar, which means who has collected many type of academics within himself and has studied them very seriously. So if a person who has their academics, who has the academics, he or she will be a great leader in this sense. As the mantra specifies, it means that a person who has done all the qualifications, all the academic achievements with their best knowledge, then he or she will be a best leader. So now over to you, ma'am, for the discussion on this mantra.
Yeah. Thank you, Diksha, for the explanation of this mantra. So, in essence, it says that any scholar who's having the best academics, then he or she will be a great leader. This is a very good mantra to start with this FTP on academic leadership. I would like the participants, we have 173 on board. Can you share your thoughts on this? So it says that only a brilliant scholar, it is not only, a brilliant scholar can definitely become a good leader. I invite participants here to share your thoughts. You can even put it in the chat window, or you can unmute yourselves and you can share your thoughts on this topic. A brilliant scholar can become a big or a great leader. Can I have your thoughts, please?
Very good morning, all.
Morning.
Myself, I'm Deepa Narayanan.
Okay.
I am from Tamil Nadu, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. And truly told, only great minds can become great leaders, because a great mind is really nurtured with very positive thoughts, positive attitude, and will always look out for possibilities, and it is a solution oriented approach. Whenever there's any problem which confronts this mindset, it will always turn it into a solution oriented one, whereas a person not having this mindset will always sit and brood on the problem. That is what is my understanding. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Deepa Narayanan, madam. And Mr. Brijesh Pandey has also posted in the chat box that the brilliant scholar will have a great self-confidence. And Mr. Shreyan Kumar has stated that it depends on one's perception. And he also has stated that to be a great leader, one must be a good scholar, but not vice versa. Yes, maybe at the end, I would also give some of my thoughts. I invite more participants to share. You can put it in the chat window. Else you can speak up. Unmute yourselves and you can speak. Can I have few more opinions, please, on the topic? A brilliant scholar can definitely become a great leader.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please.
Actually, I'm Dr. Yogesh Sharma from SD College of Engineering and Technology, Muzaffarnagar. So it's
Okay.
truly sad, but a scholar is really a leader because one who possesses the knowledge, and knowledge is a strongest thing to control the world. And the one who has the knowledge, he's a humble also. And to be a leader, one should be humble. One should be down to earth. So, in my opinion, definitely a good scholar, or you can say scholar, will be a good leader. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Yogesh, for your nice thoughts. And there was also another, in the chat, another message in the chat window that many more qualities are required. I missed the name. Ms. Kanimuri has stated that great leader will always have a good control over the team. True, madam. Absolutely true. But here, the Rig Veda, this mantra, it specifically asks a question, or it specifically throws a point whether a good scholar, a great scholar, or a brilliant scholar will be a great leader. Jnanakumar sir has stated that scholars have plenty of options to become a leader because of the knowledge. Definitely. Right, Jnanakumar sir? And Mukesh
Good
Kumar
morning,
sir
madam.
says, yes,
Good
sir.
morning. I am Dr. S. Sembu Prasad from Principal Pragati Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. So I
Welcome, sir.
do confirm the statement, brilliant scholar can become a bigger, great leader. That is depicted by our leaders of freedom, where Indians struggle for freedom, where most of the leaders are, almost all the leaders are very scholarly persons. So with that example, we can definitely say that brilliant scholar can become a bigger, great leader. Not only that, by sharing their knowledge and the information, they will also create leaders. Because once a leader shares his ideas, definitely the followers will be inspired and they will become future leaders. That's my opinion.
Ma'am, good morning.
Okay.
Thank you, Prasad, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes.
good morning. I'm Harikrishnan from Kerala Institute of Tourism and Travel Studies, Trivandrum.
Morning, Harikrishnan, sir.
Ma'am, a leader is one who knows his way and who shows his way. So he knows the way, where to go, how to lead, and he shows what to his followers. So naturally, knowledge is a key thing for a leader because the leader should know where he leads to and where he has to lead and how he leads to. And truly, knowledge will only helps in that particular thing because you can't grope around. So basically, a leader or a great leader should be a great scholar, and that goes hands in on. As the previous speaker has told, our freedom struggles across the countries has shown us that I think the knowledge base has really reaped benefit for our country because we are born out of visionaries of administration. And I will sum up with one particular thing: nations are born in the hearts of academics. Unfortunately, that get defeated in the hands of politicians. Thank you, ma'am.
True. Thank you so much, Harikrishnan, sir. And there are many more messages also in the chat. Somebody else is coming forward?
Yes,
I
I am.
heard
Am
some.
I audible? I'm Dr. Sandhya Sharma.
Yes, madam, but if you can increase the volume, it will be better. You are audible, but your voice is a bit feeble also.
I also request the technical team to switch on the camera of a person who is speaking, please. It will bring grace to the program.
Ma'am, I'm audible now.
Yes, madam.
Yeah. So
Go ahead,
my
madam.
statement that great scholars make great leaders. I want to give it a little twist that great scholars can be great leaders, but not vice versa, in the sense that every great scholar may not be a great leader. It is quite
Definitely.
possible that every scholar is just a leader, because having both at the same time, that is a great scholar and great leader, is a very rare combination in the present scenario. We have seen cases where there is a great scholar, but he or she is not a great leader. They are weak in their leadership skills, on the skills in guiding or leading the team.
Exactly, madam. I would agree to your point that not all great scholars become great leaders. It's not the other way around, but great scholars do become leaders. not the other way
Yes.
around. Not all
Yes.
leaders are great scholars.
Great. Yes.
Yes, madam. Yes. And also, I could see some messages in the chat window also. Any more people, any other participants
Yes,
willing
ma'am.
to come forward?
Yes, ma'am. This is Dr.
Can I
Purnamani
say
from Department of Management Studies, Gurukul Kangra University. I totally agree with what the previous person said, that not necessary that all great scholars will become a leader, but yes, we have got examples in Gandhiji. He emphasized that you have to know your work very well. You know,
Yes.
knowledge was something which he said won him a great, name. He was very good. He was perfectionist in all the work that he did. He always emphasized that your language. You know, this was a time when he fought at that time when we were considered as just slaves. And it was only because of his knowledge of his, he was a barrister by profession. The legal language was the one which won him, which won our country our independence. So he was very great, and all Dada Noroji, then Gandhiji, all of them were very good, learned people. Then we have our Abdul Kalam ji. He also always emphasized that knowledge is something which will only lead to achieve your goals. Now, goals are different in different days. The goals of Gandhiji and Nehruji and Dadabhai Naoroji and all goals was to get the freedom for our people. And in case of Abdul Kalam ji,
Ma'am, can we conclude discussion? Chair, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we are
Okay.
running short of time. The resource person is waiting.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Fine. So many people have come forward and they've given the thoughts on this mantra, on this Rig Veda mantra. Brilliant scholars can be a leader. I would just like to tell about two examples here. One is Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of independent India, as well as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnaiah from Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president from Bihar. He was there, he assumed the office of the president for almost 10 years. And during this period, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnaiah served as a vice president, and later on, he became the second president of India. Now, if you talk about Dr. Rajendra Prasad as well as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, whose birthday we celebrate as Teachers' Day also, both are supposed to be brilliant scholars. Both during their school days as well as in the college days, they had won a lot of awards. They completed their education through scholarships. In fact, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, teacher, he once quoted in his paper that an examinee is better than the examiner. A student is better than the teacher. Okay. They were given 10 questions, it seems, and they were evaluated on 5 questions. Whereas Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he gave answers to all the 10 questions, and he wrote a note that the examiner can select any 5 questions out of the 10 if they want. So this is the credit of Dr. Rajendra Prasad as well as Dr. Radhakrishnaiah. Now, these two examples, nothing more we can discuss about these great people. And Madam Purnam was also referring to Dr. Abdul Kalam. If you take all these great leaders, they are all great and they are all brilliant scholars. There is also another saying, a paradox or an oxymoron for that, to say that the strength of a team is each individual members and the strength of each member is a team. It is an oxymoron or a paradox given by Phil Jackson, which again talks about how important it is essential to have individual brilliance. See, if you want to be a leader of performing team, you have to relate to the people as well as you should also be a brilliant leader. Only then you can guide and lead, coach and mentor your team. With these few concluding remarks, of course, brilliance is one of the factors, as many people have stated that you require other characteristics to become a leader. But on the forehand, we could definitely conclude that a brilliant scholar will definitely be a great leader in any sphere of their life. With these concluding remarks, I would like to now invite the session coordinator to introduce the resource speaker. Session coordinator is Professor Nyanakumar. Dr. Nyanakumar, please introduce the session speaker, Dr. Vikas. Please. Dr. Nyanakumar. I request you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I request you to introduce the speaker of this session, Dr. Vikas Arora.
So I'm thankful to the committee of Atal FDP on academic leadership and management of technical education to depute me. as
Kindly
a
increase
session-
your voice level, volume, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So is it now okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Today our speaker is Dr. Vikas Arora. He has completed his management graduate with a distinction from Institute of Management and Research, New Delhi, in 1995. He started his career in international marketing and possessed worldwide exposure. He traveled more than 16 countries several times, like US, UK, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, for his professional assessment training since 2001 onwards. He is a trainer of international. Yes, ma'am. He is a trainer of international repute and working as a director at Sunshine Group of Institution, Rajkot, Gujarat. He also authored for 4 books on business communications, soft skill, motivate yourself, and HRM. He is motivated speaker and corporate trainer. His seminar and workshop are well known for their high quality content backed by his unique and entertaining style of deliveries. His workshop was inspired and trained for more than 2 lakh people worldwide. He is also a leadership coach for various organizations, and today he will interact with us on the topic of academic leadership. Now I am hand over this session to our motivational speaker, Dr. Vikas Arora. Sir. Sir.
Thank you very much. You're getting my voice, Yan Kumarji?
Yes, sir. Please take over the session, sir.
Okay, very nice. I'm sharing my PPT. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay. First of all, good morning to one and all. Good morning. How are you? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? No voice? Okay. First of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate Team FET, especially Dr. Pankaj Madan. They have done a wonderful job. Fetched FDP, Atal FDP, which is very much in demand, very much in need of the hour. So, good job done. Today, I'm going to talk to the best people of India who are leaders, who are going to be leaders, and who are going to rock in the coming times. Any doubt?
No, sir.
शक तो नहीं है?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. बड़ों का आशीर्वाद और प्रभु का हाथ हो तो बात करने का मजा ही कुछ और है. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Very good. Nice to see you all in high spirits. जहां हर सर झुक जाए वही मंदिर है, जहां हर नदी समा जाए वही समुंदर है. जीवन की इस कर्म भूमि में युद्ध बहुत है, जो हर युद्ध जीत जाए वही सिकंदर है. Welcome you all once again.
Participants can unmute them to have an interview.
Academic leadership. You see this word carefully, leadership. There is a word lead in that. Lead means lead from front. Lead by example. And make the difference. Not the difference, big difference. Because leadership is basically, you can say it's a dynamism. It's not static. कहते हैं रुका हुआ पानी एक मौत है और बहता हुआ पानी एक जिंदगी है. So leadership is related to something extraordinary. A person being a leader can touch to sky heights. Leadership is creating path for the followers, which they will understand maybe later on. Definitely a challenging task. Leadership is all about breaking records, in fact, your own records. Leadership is driving ahead of others. जब लोग सोच रहे हो तब वो काम आप कर रहे हो. That is having a proactive approach. फोर्ड ने सबसे पहले ये महसूस किया कि जब गाड़ी शोरूम से निकलती है तो सबसे पहले मंदिर में जाती है, तो क्यों ना कस्टमर को पूजा की थाली दी जाए, बिकॉज यहां से निकलने के बाद वो सामान इकट्ठा करेगा. नो, that is not fair enough. That is having proactive approach. Leadership is not about instructing people, it's all about inspiring people. Leadership is upgrading yourself. My dear friends, time is changing very fast, especially in this COVID era. Things are changing very, very fast. वही survive कर पाएगा जो अपने आप को upgrade करेगा, जो अपने आप को change करेगा. Things are changing very, very fast. Slide speaks in itself a lot. Leadership is making strategies. Strategy means making specific plannings. When we make specific planning, it means strategy. कहते हैं किसी वृक्ष को काटने के लिए आप मुझे 6 घंटे दीजिए और मैं पहले 4 घंटे तक कुल्हाड़ी को की धार तेज करने में लगाऊंगा. अब्राहम लिंकन ने ये बात कही और बिल्कुल सही बात है. Whatever you want to do, whatever your plans are, you need to first make an appropriate planning for it. Very, very specific planning you need to make. That is the quality of a leadership. Now, I'll give you some bigger scenario. If we take our country as an organization, believe me, India is a country which has strongest democratic setup. इस दुनिया का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप है, तो उसमें एक नाम आता है हिंदुस्तान, इंडिया का. क्योंकि बहुत कंट्रीज में मिलिट्री टेक ओवर्स हो जाते हैं और जो गवर्नमेंट होती हैं वो स्टेबल नहीं होती हैं, करप्ट गवर्नमेंट होती हैं. In comparison, Indian government is very, very stable. And that's why here leadership matters. 40 crore की population के अंदर, believe me, 120 countries of the world समा सकती हैं. इतना बड़ा देश है हिंदुस्तान. And India is doing fairly well in all respects. कहने को हम कितना भी criticize करें, but leadership matters. India developed its own vaccines. आप सोच के देखिए, अगर आज इंडिया के पास वैक्सीन्स नहीं होती, India has already emerged as a leader. दो वैक्सीन्स का होना, कितनी कंट्रीज में सप्लाई होना, it's a very big thing. India is showing its leadership. It's not a small thing to have our own vaccines. We are not dependent on others. Country की population देखते हुए और speed को देखते हुए हमें बाहर से लेनी पड़ेगी. That is a different story. But we are leading. Now, I'm showing the various dimensions of leadership. Israel की बात करें, चारों तरफ से Gulf country से घिरा हुआ, but इस country की आप leadership देखिए, they are very strong in leadership. पूरी दुनिया को आर्म्स एंड एम्युनिशन सप्लाई करते हैं, दे इनोवेशंस में, रिसर्च में दे आर फार एहेड। और इस कंट्री का अस्तित्व भी अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है और बहुत बड़ी बात है। इफ यू टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ जापान, 1945 Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 2 nuclear bombs were thrown by America. At that time in Second World War, Japan has conquered half of the world. Itna aggressive, this much aggressive was Japan was. But बिल्कुल खत्म होने के बावजूद भी next 75 years में they've established themselves again. That is leadership. मैडम सुरेखा ने बात की चाणक्य की। I'll tell one beautiful example of leadership from the learnings of चाणक्य नीति। कहते हैं दूसरों की गलती से सीखें, अपने ऊपर प्रयोग करके सीखने से तुम्हारी आयु कम पड़ेगी। कहने का मतलब यह है, one life will be not enough if you keep on doing mistakes. Learn from others' mistake. That's the best thing a leader must learn. Lord Rama की बात हुई, Lord Krishna की बात हुई. Yes, it was true. Lord Krishna is the true leader. He led by example. खुद सारथी बने, ये अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है। He was having flexible approach. जब युद्ध होने की बात हो रही थी तो खुद वहां जाके संधि कराने की कोशिश करी, कोई ईगो इशू नहीं था। He was a very good listener. During Mahabharata, Arjun was not comfortable. पूरा भागवत गीता का जो 18 चैप्टर्स हैं उसमें पहले पूरे चैप्टर में उन्होंने अर्जुन की बात सुनी और उसके बाद बोलना शुरू किया। That is very good example of good listening. And he was very patient, having a lot of patience. शिशुपाल इनके कजन थे लॉर्ड कृष्णा के, उन्होंने बोला I'll give you 100 chance. You always try to defame me, say wrong things, but I'll give you 100 chance. आप और हम अगर देखें तो 2-3 चांस के बाद शायद हमें गुस्सा आ जाता है। That is the difference. He was performer at the same time. सिर्फ उन्होंने उपदेश नहीं दिया, उन्होंने परफॉर्म भी किया। युद्ध ना करना उन्होंने सोची ठानी, लेकिन जब करने की बारी आई तो सामने आ गए थे युद्ध करने के लिए भीष्म पितामह से। तो he was, कहते हैं leadership is a blend of all qualities and definitely few qualities dominate, but Lord Krishna was having all the qualities of a great leader. In fact, मैं काफी टॉक्स दे चुका हूं जिसमें only leadership through the life of Lord Krishna I have explained in detail. See, those who are having doubt on human potential, we all are good leaders. In fact, हम कहीं ना कहीं पर लीड कर रहे हैं, चाहे हम अपनी क्लास को लीड कर रहे हैं, चाहे हम घर को लीड कर रहे हैं। We are already leading at various points. There should be no doubt. That's why initially I said I'm going to talk to the best people of India. And believe me, you've got an opportunity to attend this program to become a great leader in this COVID era. जहां नेगेटिविटी की बात हो रही है, आपको एक जबरदस्त मोटिवेशन से भरा हुआ आपको कुछ सुनने को और इतने बड़े बड़े ज्ञानी लोगों की लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करने का मौका मिल रहा है। यू आर द लकी पीपल, बिलीव मी, एवरी डे इज नॉट द सेम डे। 5 उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती, रोज बारिश नहीं होती, हर रोज संडे नहीं होता और हर समय ऐसी जबरदस्त एफडीपी भी नहीं होती। आई कांग्रेचुलेट जीकेवी फॉर द सेम। ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल की अगर हम बात करें तो भक्ति शर्मा, जिन्होंने 5 बड़े, देयर आर 5 बिग सीज इन द वर्ल्ड, जिन्होंने 5 सी को इन्होंने क्रॉस किया। शी इज फ्रॉम इंडिया। नाउ अरुणिमा सिन्हा, जिनका एक टांग को काटना पड़ा एक इंसिडेंट के अंदर, शी कॉन्कर्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट। See the power of human potential, and we are human beings, never forget this thing. Wilma Rudolph चल नहीं सकती थी, पैरों में hinges थे, डॉक्टर ने कहा था she will not able to keep her feet on the earth. She was Olympic champion. Deepa Malik, Paralympics में she won medals. Spinal cord में tumor था. When operated, नीचे का part काम करना बंद कर दिया, but she never, कभी भी morale down नहीं किया इन्होंने. Helen Keller, she could not see, she could not hear, but she invented Braille. माझी, कहते हैं ना, अरे तुम क्या पहाड़ तोड़ सकते हो क्या? माझी ने सचमुच पहाड़ तोड़ दिया. See the determination of human beings. Believe in yourself. You are the true leaders. You can do wonders. Now, Jadav Mulay Payang, Forest Man of India. अकेले इन्होंने 30 लाख से ज्यादा प्लांट्स लगाए. इतना बड़ा इन्होंने जंगल खड़ा कर दिया जितना बड़ा जंगल अमेरिका में भी नहीं है. अकेले व्यक्ति ने पिछले 30 सालों में. जादव मुलई पेयंग. माइकल फेल्प्स का स्विमिंग, ये बहुत अच्छे तैराक थे. ही वाज अ वेरी गुड स्विमर, ओलंपिक्स चैंपियन. प्रैक्टिस के दौरान इनका हाथ जब कोने पे लगा लास्ट में आकर तो हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो गया. हाथ ठीक तो हो गया, बट डॉक्टर ने कहा इस हाथ में जान नहीं है, हो नहीं सकता है कि तुम ओलंपिक में पार्टिसिपेट करो और जीतो. तो ने कहा कोई बात नहीं डॉक्टर साहब, मैं पैरों में इन्होंने इतनी जान डाल दी. He again won in Olympics. These are few examples of human potential. Believe in yourself. अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखो और देखो और कोशिश करने के लिए तैयार रहो, और उसके बाद आप देखिए कि कैसे आपकी जिंदगी के अंदर चमत्कार होते हैं. जिंदगी एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो व सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना जय जयकार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कहते हैं जिसके मंसूबे पहाड़ जैसे होते हैं वो लोग कभी बीमार नहीं होते हैं. लीडरशिप मैटर्स. बिलीव मी, हमारे हिंदुस्तान में कुछ लीडर्स की मैं बात करूंगा, अदरवाइज मैं आपसे इंटरेक्ट करना चाहूंगा कि we all know these great leaders, what great quality they had in them. Radhakrishnan Pillai ji, President of India, can anybody unmute and tell me what was the great quality that made him a great leader? We are running short of time. Please be fast.
Good teacher. Good teacher.
Very good. But please tell your name because we need to know. Okay, from
Maharashtra.
Okay, very good. He was a good teacher. But what made him the great leader? I need to know that. देखिए, हमें पता होगा तभी आगे स्टूडेंट्स को पता होगा. Anybody can participate.
वो टीचर भी थे, राष्ट्रपति बने, उनको बहुत सी भाषा आती थी और उनको संस्कृत का बहुत भारी अभ्यास भी था.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. बट ये नॉलेजेबल तो बहुत लोग होते हैं. हमारी अभी इसी टीचिंग फ्रेटर्निटी से बहुत नॉलेजेबल लोग होंगे. एक क्वालिटी इनके अंदर ऐसी थी, इन लीडर्स के अंदर, उस क्वालिटी ने उनको महान बना दिया. लीडर इज डेफिनेटली हैविंग अ ब्लेंड ऑफ क्वालिटीज. विजन डेफिनेटली. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. रश्मि त्रिवेदी मैडम ने बोला. यस, एनीबॉडी एल्स?
विजन, करेक्ट.
डॉक्टर रश्मि ने बोला. एनीबॉडी एल्स? Okay, not taking much time, I'll explain because we are running short of time. Otherwise, बहुत मजा आता है इंटरेक्ट करने में, but आगे we'll get a chance to interact. Okay, now अगर हम इनकी बात करें, सबसे बड़ा जो इन्होंने काम किया, इन्होंने पूरे वेस्ट में, पूरी दुनिया में टीचिंग फ्रेटर्निटी की इंपॉर्टेंस रियलाइज कराई, और अपनी कंट्री में भी, कि एक टीचर या टीचिंग फ्रेटर्निटी की एक देश के लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. बहुत बढ़िया एक विजन दिखाया इन्होंने, जैसे डॉक्टर रश्मि ने कहा. बहुत बढ़िया काम इन्होंने किया. इन्होंने आज तक हमारा सेल्फ एस्टीम, इस बात हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं 5 सितंबर. हमें एक हमारा सेल्फ एस्टीम, हमें अच्छा लगता है कि यस यार, वी आर डूइंग समथिंग गुड. और वो चीज जो पूरी दुनिया में रियलाइज करवाई डॉक्टर राधा कृष्ण पिल्ले ने, और that's why he is remembered till date. Second is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Please let me know if anybody would like to participate.
And Dr. S. Shambhu Prasad from Turkey
Yes, please,
Engineering
sir.
College.
Yes, please, please, sir.
He is the unique quality of bringing all the people with different mindsets under one umbrella in the amalgamating entire country. So that shows his leadership.
Dr. Shambhu answer is 100% correct. Perfect answer. 500 500 plus states को इन्होंने he brought together.
562.
हाँ, 562. Very good.
Yes.
He brought those states together, and he had a great convincing power and a great aura. Big round of applause for Dr. Shambhu. Big round of applause. Very nice. Very good. Very good. And next is Swami Vivekanand. Yes. Anybody would like to participate? We need to understand the qualities of these great leaders.
Yeah, he's a man of compassion and affection. He's also point out the harmony relationship and lot of things with yoga and spiritual things and work.
Dr.
Yeah,
Ruchi,
basically
okay.
he's motivated the youth people. Yeah, I'm Ruchi, sir. Youth people and all.
Dr. Ruchi, but your answer is quite good. Youth icon थे ये, और इनका सबसे बड़ा रोल था spiritual enlightenment. All over the world, इन्होंने spirituality पे जो बात करी, उसके बाद लोगों को लगा नहीं, there is something related to this. And no doubt he was a great orator at the same time. Good attempt, Dr. Ruchi. Mother Teresa. Next is Mother Teresa.
I can
Sir,
tell a single word which Mother Teresa is. Mother
Yes,
Teresa is equivalent to empathy.
Yes, she is known for her empathy.
and sir, service to humanity was the biggest thing where that is really lacking with someone, and true embodiment of service, sir.
Okay, Deepa madam is speaking now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Deepa. Yes. Empathy also you can say, and she was very kind, and she was having a very sacrificing nature. जिसे हम कहते हैं ना दास का दास. A leader by doing sacrifice or sparing her own life for others. So that was her great quality. Kindness is the rule of the game. She was so kind. Hanji, yes, Deepa madam.
So this is Supriya Jagtap from Maharashtra. I would like to add one point.
Yes, please, madam, please.
This lady was helping the poorest of the poor people, and
Yes,
she would spend her much of her time for the helping individuals for their extreme needs as well.
Yes, Priya madam, very nice attempt. See, आप एक चीज समझने की कोशिश करें कि they have spent their whole life for that cause. एक पूरी जिंदगी समर्पित कर दी इन्होंने उस एक अच्छे कॉज के लिए, और अपनी एक क्वालिटी के द्वारा इतना नाम बना लिया कि ये लोग कहने को ये लोग इस दुनिया से चले गए हैं, बट दे आर स्टिल इन आवर हार्ट्स. दे आर स्टिल अलाइव. ऐसे लोग, ऐसी लीडरशिप कभी खत्म नहीं होती है. That is very important for us to understand. Yes, Mr. Satish Dhawan. Next is Mr. Satish Dhawan. Anybody would like to tell something about him?
Yes, sir. This is Vinay Mehrotra from Maharashtra.
Yes, Mr. Vinay. Please tell.
Yeah.
Good participation from
I'd like to
Maharashtra.
add
Very
one.
good participation.
Yeah, I'd like to add one more gem here, and the lady, Mother Teresa, she was very compassionate. She was very compassionate and very good leader, very good listener also. She was listening to the people, and then she was handling the people as per their needs.
Very nice, Mr. Vinay. Very nice. Okay, next is Mr. Satish Dhawan.
Sir, myself Deepa again here.
Yes, Deepa madam.
Satish Dhawan sir is an embodiment of true leadership, who actually used to develop all the younger scientists. And one example of a true scientist built by Satish Dhawan sir was Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, where they have even narrated a beautiful story of a leadership where whenever the credit has to go, he used to give it to the younger scientist. And whenever there was any sort of mistake, he used to come front of everyone, accept that and take it on him and then train the younger scientist to the success, sir.
Excellent, Deepa madam. Excellent, excellent. Perfectly what I wanted to say, what you have said. Perfect explanation, excellent answer, and very good example of leadership. Next is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yes, please tell me. Yes, anybody would like to say something?
He's the father of nation.
Yes.
Basically, what I like him, he is actually, everybody know the story. He went to London and he did lot of things, and he came back. He suddenly changed the dress like dhoti kurta, and he is only the leaders, very big leadership without. Hello.
Please be
I'm
short.
audible, sir.
Please be short.
Without any appearance, and he's a very like dhoti and kurta and dandi stick, and he's given a lot of take a lot of initiative for the freedom fighting with a very much slow and very much non-violence thing. So this is the good things I like him.
Dr. Ruchi, one word में बताना है. One word में इनकी क्या खास quality थी जिसने इनको father of the nation
Sir,
बना
very
दिया?
calm.
Good morning, sir.
अभी
This is
जो
Dr.
मैं
Deepjyoti
बोलना
here.
चाहूंगी,
Hello.
इनकी जो सिंप्लिसिटी थी,
Okay,
सिंप्लिसिटी
Deepa,
थी,
okay,
बिना
Dr.
किसी
Ruchi, let us
हथियार
give
के
chance to
इन्होंने आजादी
Deepjyoti.
दिलाई.
Let us
Hello,
give chance to
sir.
Deepjyoti. Yes,
Yeah,
Mr.
This
Deepjyoti.
is Rashmi Trivedi from Nagpur, sir.
yeah, Mahatma Gandhi
Actually,
is a
Gandhi ji
man of, or you can
practiced
say,
what
is a
he preached.
symbol of truth and peace.
Truth and peace. Okay.
Yeah.
And what else? Yes, madam.
Sir, he practiced before he
Yes,
preached.
sir.
See,
This
now
was
I'll
the
tell you,
greatest.
Poonam ma'am. Okay.
greatest,
Now I'll tell you his great quality. Actually,
So
the
myself,
great
Brijesh
quality.
Pandey.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Brijesh.
The best quality of Gandhi was that he was clear in his thought, and he was always to serve the mankind.
Okay. Very good, Mr.
Sir, he was
Yes,
very
now
calm.
we need to proceed. Time is very short, actually. We need to proceed. Now I'll tell you the great quality of Mahatma Gandhi ji. We know so many qualities. I told you any leader will have all the qualities, but one or two qualities will dominate to that extent that will make them great personality. Now Mahatma Gandhi ji quality was he had a vision. He showed Indians that you can make this country free from Britishers. इनके पास एक विजन था. इन्होंने ये बता दिया हिंदुस्तान के लोगों को कि आप लोग, हम लोग इस हिंदुस्तान को, ब्रिटिशर्स को बाहर निकाल सकते हैं हिंदुस्तान से बिना हथियार उठाए. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है जो महात्मा गांधी जी इस विश्वास के साथ इन्होंने लीड किया. ये बहुत अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is the true example of visionary leadership. Next is APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Yes, anybody would like to say something about him? APJ Abdul Kalam ji.
Yes, sir. Ruchi again is speaking. He is optimistic, and so everybody knows that he is the missile man. But what I like him, he's never stop after first achievement, second achievement. He continue achievement. He never satisfied, and he's thinking about India, Bharat. He is very poor family. He's thinking about the Bharat.
Yes. Very nice. Dr. Ruchi. Dr. Deepa, yes, please tell.
Sir, I have something very important to tell about Abdul Kalam sir. Actually, Abdul Kalam sir comes from a very, very humble economic background, and coming from that, taking his life where he was even a newspaper boy, and even coming to that becoming a president, having a very humble and modest life, and giving back service to the society, sir. That was the true embodiment of
Very nice, Deepa madam. Very nice. I would also request all the other participants to participate. मुझे लग रहा है कि 3-4 लोग ही
He
participate कर
played
रहे
a
हैं.
leading role to build up India a superpower in nuclear
Yes,
energy.
yes, Lokesh ji, I'll tell you one very.
He's a realistic dreamer.
Yes, realistic.
Arora
Dreamer.
sir.
Very nice.
Arora sir, he was
Sir,
a
I am
big
Pritesh
thinker.
Patil from Pune.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
sir.
please tell. Yes.
I am Pritesh Patil from Pune. So
Yes,
about
Pritesh ji.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was having a positive attitude, sir, towards the things.
देखिए
That is
रितेश
his
जी,
quality.
पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड अदर पीपल आल्सो हैव, डेफिनेटली ही वाज हैविंग। जितनी भी आपने क्वालिटीज बताई एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी की बिल्कुल सही थी, लेकिन आज मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी शेयर कर रहा हूँ इनके बारे में आपको।
जी सर.
When he was chairman in ISRO, one employee came to him and said कि I want to go early because I am having my son is having a birthday and we want to celebrate that. तो 4 बजे उसको निकलना था। 5-5:30 बजे जब भी ऑफिस के राउंड पे थे तो उन्होंने देखा कि same guy was sitting and doing his work. He understood that he has forgotten that today he is supposed to leave early. They were staying in the campus, residential campus in the same building, and he went to that party, attended that party, stayed there for 1.5 hours. He came back, and when this fellow, he didn't remember, he went back to his home, and then he was told that APJ Abdul Kalam sir came and he attended the party on his behalf. See the greatness of this person and see his empathetic approach. ये बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी देखने में आई और ये बहुत अच्छा। Definitely he was having many other qualities and he's one of the best president of India, of the country. और लेकिन empathetic approach बहुत ज्यादा थी इनके अंदर। ये दूसरों के बारे में बहुत सोचते थे और ये भी एक बहुत बड़ी क्वालिटी है लीडर की। Now next is last one is Dr. Nelson Mandela. Yes.
Yes, sir. He was the man of peace, the forgiveness,
एक
and
वर्ड
the
में अगर आप मुझे
dangerous.
बता सके in one word.
Yeah. So he was holding a very
revolutionary political
One
leader.
by one.
Sir, silent soldier.
Yes, silent soldier. Okay.
He was holding a very dangerous weapon, and which made this enemies down in front of him, and that is his killing smile that you can see in the pic also.
Very nice, very nice, very nice,
Sir,
Vinay ji,
he
very
has
nice.
he has tackled institutionalized racism in South Africa.
Yes. And now I'll tell you one great quality of this person. Actually, he was in jail for 7 years, and many times he was being offered that he will bring you out. You abide by our norms.
They
He said no.
started the
He said
movement
no.
against racism.
हाँ, इनको बहुत मौके दिए गए बाहर आने के। इनको बोला कि आप हमारी बात मान लीजिए, आप अपनी जिद छोड़ दीजिए। नस्ल भेद के ऊपर इनका डिस्प्यूट था, लेकिन आप भेदभाव करते हो, ये गलत है और इसलिए इनको जेल में डाला गया। बहुत बार इनको मौका दिया गया कि आप बाहर आ जाइए, हम आपसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने को तैयार हैं। But he was so ethical in nature, he didn't accepted that offer. और बहुत बड़ी चीज पे आके मैं अब यहाँ पे आके बात को कर रहा हूँ। देखिए, लीडरशिप कोलैप्स और सस्टेन नहीं कर पाएगी जब तक वो एथिकल नहीं। एथिकल लीडरशिप पे last year I gave lecture in one of the conference in Indonesia. This was the topic. एथिक्स अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी टॉपिक है और लीडरशिप अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है। और एथिकल लीडरशिप की बात हो तो मैं समझता हूँ कि ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टॉपिक है। ये एथिकल लीडरशिप के ऊपर नेल्सन मंडेला जी का बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल दिया जा सकता है कि ये इन्होंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया। आप इमेजिन कीजिए, एक व्यक्ति 27 इयर्स तक ही वाज इन जेल, द होल। एक लाइफ टाइम इम्प्रिजनमेंट भी 14 इयर्स का होता है। नाउ वी प्रोसीड। Yes, terrorist attack. Anybody would like to tell me what leadership lessons we can learn from here? Very fast. Actually, our time is cut short, so that's why I have to move a bit fast. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, someone write that Nelson Mandela had great impressed by Gandhiji.
See, now we have proceeded, madam. Please, now please tell something about terrorist attack, because we have to take care of time, which is very important.
So this reflects an example of crisis management.
Yes, very good, very good, very nice. Dr. Shambhu, very nice. I want new participants. Where are they? देखिए, this is
Power of
your platform. This is your program. Don't bother about right or wrong. Go ahead, give answers, participate.
the power of leadership in negative sense, sir.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Anybody else?
The adversity
Sir,
tests our character. So at the time when no everything else is falling, the true leader will somehow make sure that everything is taken care of.
No, very good, Deepa madam. I'll tell you now what were the leadership lessons. जैसे ही as and when attack was there, initially people ran off. People भाग गए लोग वहां से, उन्होंने देखा कि भैया ये तो बहुत ज्यादा मतलब हो रहा है. तो फिर the very important thing and point to be noticed was that people came back. People of this hotel came back. उन्होंने देखा कि भैया अगर हम भाग गए तो यहाँ पे तो हजारों हमारे गेस्ट हैं, कस्टमर्स हैं हमारे, और इस होटल का तो बहुत लिमिटेड लोगों को पता था जो लोग इसमें काम करते हैं. इट वाज सो ह्यूज होटल, 5 स्टार होटल. गेस्ट को तो पता ही कुछ नहीं है कहां से उतरना है, कहां जाना है, क्या करना है. दे केम बैक एंड दे हेल्प्ड देम. लिटरली दे हेल्प्ड देम. द जीएम वाज स्टेइंग इन द टॉप फ्लोर्स ऑफ द, उसकी फैमिली वहां रह रही थी. जीएम वाज, वो नीचे था, एंड ही डिड अ ट्रेमेंडस जॉब, वंडरफुल जॉब. बहुत सारे लोग उनमें से जो वापस आए वो लोग मारे भी गए, और इसमें बहुत कई 100 लोगों की डेथ हुई, और जब बहुत हजारों लोगों को बचा भी लिया गया इस कारण से. इस स्टाफ ने, उनके स्टाफ ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया, बहुत अच्छा काम, अपनी जान पर खेल के लोगों को बचाया. और जब बात इसलिए रतन टाटा ने कहा कि हम उन फैमिलीज का ध्यान रखेंगे और ये सब हुआ, बाद में वो उन फैमिलीज से जब मिलने गए तो एक फैमिली में हस्बैंड की डेथ हुई, वाइफ और बच्चे मिले, तो ही वाज बिट स्केयर्ड. उन्होंने बोला ये मुझसे लड़ेंगी और ये मुझसे पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलेंगी. तो बट दैट लेडी सेड कि आई एम प्राउड दैट माय हस्बैंड वाज वर्किंग इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. उस लेडी ने ये कहा, और रतन टाटा जी के आंखों में आंसू आ गए ये सुनकर. और इसके ऊपर केस स्टडी कहती है, टाइम कम है तो उस पर भी बात करते. हार्वर्ड और ऑक्सफोर्ड में इस केस स्टडी को लिया जाता है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी फेमस केस स्टडी ऑन दिस टेररिस्ट अटैक. और बाद में ये चीज उस केस स्टडी में सामने आई कि these people hire from the villages and they train and inculcate values according to what as they want it. ये उन लोगों में जो लो प्रोफाइल लोग होते हैं, विलेजेस से हैं, उनको लेते थे और उनको अपने अकॉर्डिंग उनको ट्रेन करते थे, उनके अंदर इतने अच्छे संस्कार डालते थे, और इसी का रिजल्ट था कि ये चीज सामने आई. उन लोगों ने अपनी जान पर खेल के सी द belongingness towards the organization.
Yes, sir.
एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक उसकी लीडरशिप के अंडर में लोग मरने को तैयार हो जाए, कितनी जबरदस्त लीडरशिप होगी, कितना लोगों को उस लीडरशिप पे विश्वास होगा. ये एक सोचने और समझने की बात है. दिस कैन बी वन ऑफ द गुड एग्जांपल्स. यस, देखिए, लीडर के पास सबसे बड़ी बात है, विश नहीं होनी चाहिए, उसके पास पूरा प्लान होना चाहिए और उसके पास गोल्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. उसका फोकस गोल्स पे होना चाहिए रादर देन ऑब्स्टेकल्स पे. ज्यादातर क्या होता है, हम प्रॉब्लम्स को डिस्कस करते हैं, वी नीड टू डिस्कस ऑन द सॉल्यूशन. लक्ष्य नहीं जिनका वो ऐसे खो जाते हैं जैसे लाख हजारों पत्ते पानी में बह जाते. गोल सेटिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसीलिए कहते हैं मिशन और विजन बनाइए, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप चलिए. दैट शुड नॉट बी ओनली ऑन द बोर्ड हैंगिंग ओवर देयर. मिशन हमारा ये है, विजन ये है, फॉर एक्रेडिशंस इन द बुक्स. नो, organization should move according to the mission and vision, and that should be clear to each and every employee of that organization.
Hello.
Yes, who would like to speak? Yes, tell me. Okay, Now focus on your
Sir, in
goals.
this context, if we go back in the history, then we find that the Adolf Hitler was also a great leader.
Yes. Okay. He may be according to at that time. So, but what do we mean to say right over here about Hitler? See, that is good contribution.
As
We
you
don't have that much
told
of
about
time.
that,
Ajit Kumarji, we don't have
means
that much of time.
that
He might be a good
so
leader, but leader is not who is leading or he has done something big. Leader is the one who has taken everybody along with. He has done the justice to everyone. And leader is most important, whether the leader is ethical or not. Now that's a big question mark. Leader can be
that is
many,
the
but
other
whether
point.
the leadership is ethical or not. Yes. Yes, Mr. Ajit.
Yes, sir, that is the another context, means ethical, or that is the debatable. But when we go into a history, that for Hitler, the dedication of his soldier is never been that much as in the time of Hitler. Means people know very well they must die, but they will ready for that. Is this
Ajit,
kind of means
you
we
are
lead
absolutely
the
right.
purpose,
But again,
that is
see,
another thing.
I'll give you one more example. Same Osama bin Laden. He was also a leader, and his people also want to die for him. So we need to understand whether we are ethics are there or not. Whether leadership is ethical or not. That is very, very important.
Yes, sir, that is the another thing.
Yes, yes.
It's
Now
a good for good purposes, for
yes.
humanity,
I
an aspect
like to
of
say the same
humanity.
thing. We should have purpose, should be good. That's why people will remember. Na?
Yes.
Otherwise, why people will remember? Okay, focus
Yes,
on
sir.
your goals. It's very, very important. I'll tell you a few things about
Yes,
this.
sir. The impact
Goals
on the
and focus.
society.
Yes, focus should be on our goals. जिस दिन से चला हूं मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, जिस दिन से चला हूं मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, आंखों ने कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा. I'll give you a beautiful example. एक व्यक्ति मुंबई में बस स्टैंड पे खड़ा होता है, and he wanted to go to Sai Baba मंदिर. He called a taxi guy. He said, अरे भैया इधर आओ, बताओ. उसके पास 2 सूटकेस होते हैं. बोला मुझे साईं बाबा के मंदिर जाना है दर्शन करने, आप बताइए कितने पैसे लेंगे. He said कि I'll take 300 rupees for this. 300, अरे यहीं तक तो जाना 3 किलोमीटर, तो तुम 300 रुपए लोगे मेरे से. He said yes. Okay. He said नहीं, मैं खुद चला जाता हूँ. उसने सामान उठाया and he started walking. अभी वो आधे रास्ते ही पहुंचा था. सेम गाय, सेम टैक्सी ड्राइवर अगेन met him. He said, अरे भैया रुको, तुम वही थे ना जो मुझे वहां मिले थे? बोले हाँ सर मैं वही था. बताइए, अब मैं आधे रास्ते तो आ गया हूँ, बताइए अब तुम मुझसे कितने पैसे लोगे? He said, now I'll charge 600 rupees from you. He said, अरे भाई कैसी बातें करते हो? वहां पे आप कह रहे थे 300 रुपए लूंगा, यहाँ मैं आधे रास्ते आ भी गया हूं तो बोल रहे हो 600 रुपए लगेंगे. He said, the taxi driver guy said, सर आपको नहीं पता, आप दूसरी दिशा में चल रहे हैं. Same thing Brian Tracy said, अगर आप जो काम कर रहे हैं वो आपको आपके लक्ष्य के करीब नहीं लेके जा रहा, तो वो आपको आपके लक्ष्य से दूर लेके जा रहा है. Please remember this thing. If you're not going near to your goals, there's a possibility that you're going far away from your goals. Lord Krishna said, when Arjuna was dwindling again and again, Lord Krishna said to Arjun, Arjun, धरती और आकाश में तुम्हें एक ही चीज नजर आनी चाहिए, और वो होनी चाहिए तुम्हारे लक्ष्य. The beautiful thing what Lord Krishna told to Arjun regarding the goals.
Yes, Krishna has been the great leader in this country, and I think for all time.
Yes, perfectly said. Now,
he is relevant in all.
Yes, you are said right. Absolutely true. Now I'll tell you something about team building. How team is important for a leader, for an institutional building. Now you can see everybody is important in this slide. Yes. Believe in teamwork.
This is very important.
Yes, why need to believe in teamwork? Because everyone is unique on this earth, and everyone is having the core qualities. कोई ना कोई quality उनके अंदर है.
Hello.
Everybody on this earth is having great qualities. And believe me, we all have great qualities in us. कोई भी व्यक्ति इस दुनिया में हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ऐसा नहीं है जिसके अंदर क्वालिटीज ना हो। हाँ, कम हो सकती हैं, उसको हमें पॉलिश करना है और उसको आगे लेकर आना है। He or she is a vital part of our organization. I use this statement quite often. Individuals win the game and team wins the championship.
Correct.
Sometimes you
Very
will
true,
not even know who is most important person in your team. कभी-कभी आपको लगेगा कि ये तो कुछ नहीं करते, but he or she may be the most important person. आप देखिए इस स्लाइड में आपको पता लग जाएगा. Even a person standing and doing nothing could be the important member of the team.
Sir, every member play their role, and every role is essential and vital for achievement of the goal.
Excellent.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ajit Kumar ji.
We believe in teamwork because together everyone achieves more. TEAM.
Very nice. Together we achieve more. Very nice.
Actually,
Okay,
it's
Can I say something?
Yes, madam, please.
I'm Joyita Shah from International Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. I teach communication.
Yes, very
Where
nice, Joyita ma'am.
Team plays a very important part. And since it's a hotel management institute, we have to teach them about team and leadership because that's what they're going to do later on. So team, actually, I think it is understanding your skill, recognizing each other's potential and delegating work accordingly. The leadership emerges naturally. You don't elect a leader.
Very nice. Very true. Joyita madam, very nice.
And from a team, you can become a high performance team by continuous discussion, continuous looking at where you went wrong and how you can improve. And that's why I think in the cricket teams and all from
Absolutely well said, Madam Joyita. Well said. Very nice. The problem is me and the solution is we. Always we try to concentrate on ourselves, but we need to concentrate on we all. हम हैं तो मैं हूं. That's a beautiful statement. Always remember this. हम हैं तो मैं हूं. Yes, you must have heard about
Yes, I have one point to say here.
Sir.
Yes.
In
Yes, please tell.
Yes.
Team means team एक ऐसी चीज है जिसमें सर एक और एक दो नहीं होते, एक और एक 11 होते हैं.
Perfect. Very nice, Ajit ji. Very nice. Yes.
Yes. Sometimes what happens that a leader sometimes lead the team, but sometimes the leader in some another team, he may be a member of that team. Therefore, sometimes a leader may be a good leader, but as a member, he may not be a good member because he always have a tendency to lead. Can we discuss that thing also? That is a problem.
Actually, Suresh ji, my talk is we'll create a foundation, and the details will definitely, your next 5 years will be the details on it. You can discuss on that. But actually, our time is shortcut. That's why I need to move a little bit fast. Okay, so that thing we can discuss. It's ego issues comes. Yes. I'll tell you that part is coming. I have included everything, and if not included anything, we can discuss on that. Now I'll tell you something about Ubuntu culture. This culture prevails in the Africa. एक बार वहां पर किसी ने कहा कि आप सब भागिए और जो भाग के पहले आएगा उसको स्वीट्स मिलेंगी. तो बड़ी एक अजीब सी बात हुई. And he was again very surprised to see that सभी लोग ने हाथ पकड़ के भागे और हाथ पकड़ के वापस आए. तो उन्होंने बोला कि अरे तुम ऐसे कैसे भागे, अब मैं किसको स्वीट्स दूंगा, तुम्हें तो फर्स्ट 1, 2, 3 आना था. तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसे कैसा पॉसिबल है कि कुछ लोग आगे, कुछ लोग भागे और कुछ लोगों को स्वीट्स मिले. तो ऐसा तो हमें विल नॉट बी एबल टू टॉलरेट. सो हम इकट्ठे भागे, इकट्ठे आए, बिकॉज हमारा ये बिलीफ है कि हम हैं तो मैं हूं. That's a beautiful thing which we can learn from this culture. और believe me, क्यों कोलैप्स हो जाती हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, मैं उसके वर आ रहा हूं. और अभी सुरेश जी ने पॉइंट रेज किया, उसके ऊपर भी मैं आ रहा हूं. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. जोस मोरिन्हो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट एग्जांपल है सॉकर का, फुटबॉल का। ये चेल्सिया की टीम के कोच हुए। चेल्सिया की टीम हर मैच जीतती रही, हर मैच जीतती रही। लोगों लगी टीम बहुत अच्छी है, इसमें कोच का क्या रोल है। देन ही शिफ्टेड टू इटली। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? इटली स्टार्टेड winning. Chelsea started losing. After some time, he went to Spanish team. Spanish team started winning. Chelsea, Italy started losing. Tab people realized he is the world's best coach. And when it was asked from him कि आप करते क्या हो, जिस टीम के आप कोच बनते हो वो नंबर 1 हो जाती है, he told that I do nothing. There is no miracle. The only good thing is that I create team. See, individual wins the game, team wins the championships. अगर आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को टॉप पे ले जाना चाहते हो, बिलीव मी, अपने लोगों को इंपॉर्टेंस दो, उनकी कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज को समझो और आप सबको साथ लेके चलो। आप देखिए आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैसे जल्दी से जल्दी आगे आ जाए।
Can I say something?
Leader is confident. There is no doubt in this. He needs to be confident.
Who make cohesion among the team members. So how much cohesive team is there, that matters for the goal. So this is responsibility of leader. Leader leads to make them cohesive.
Yes, that is the quality of a leader. He believes in teamwork. He work in team. He give importance to everyone. He guide them. He mentor them as and when required. Now coming next, leader needs to have confidence. There is no doubt in this. Confidence is very important. Why very important? Because leader, everything will not be goody every time. Many times crisis situation will also be coming, and in that time, what will be the most helpful will be the confidence of the leader. How much composed, calm he is at that time. कॉन्फिडेंस के ऊपर मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं। सलमान खान से पूछा गया कि भाईजान जब आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज होती है तो ईद होती है और जिस दिन ईद होती है उस दिन छुट्टी होती है। सलमान खान ने बोला कि बिल्कुल सही बात करी आपने। यही बात जब रजनीकांत से पूछी गई कि रजनीकांत सर जब आपकी पिक्चर रिलीज होती है तो छुट्टी नहीं होती है, तो रजनीकांत ने आंसर दिया कि जब हमारी पिक्चर रिलीज होती है तो छुट्टी खुद ब खुद हो जाती है। That is the confidence. I can do it. See this statement which gives confidence. एक कुछ शब्द हमें confidence हमारे अंदर जान डाल देते हैं, और यही शब्द को आप कहें कि can I do it is a suspicion, apprehension, शक और शंकाओं से भरा हुआ इस शब्द है। देखिए हमारे विचार, हमारी बोली, हमारे confidence को कितना फर्क डालते हैं। I'm going to show you a beautiful short video. Please go through it, and it reflects confidence. That is confidence which we need to have as a leader. Yes. Now, in the age of 78, why Amitabh Bachchan is working minimum 12 to 15 hours? Why? Is he working for money? जिस घर में 4 फैमिली मेंबर्स और चारों की चारों जबरदस्त इनकम रखते हो, कमाते हो, पैसे के लिए इस एज में इतना काम नहीं किया जा सकता। Now that is the quality of a leader. Anybody can tell?
So Dr. Sembo here.
Yes, Dr. Shampoo, please.
Involvement makes somebody healthy and happy, sir. It's a question of involvement.
You are absolutely right. You're absolutely right. But there is other word which I want to use over here. Anybody?
Okay.
The leaders never retired.
It's a passion of work, actually.
Passionate. He is very passionate. No doubt in this. But in this age,
We have to keep
madam,
learning.
yes.
We have to keep learning till we are living.
No. Please think according to him. Why he is working 12 to 15 hours at the age of 78? My question is this.
You want to be a role model to others, that others could
He's already
be healthy.
He's already role model.
Sir, because
The
he's
age,
enjoying his
I would
work.
like to mention one actor.
Confidence with passion.
No, that is there. Actually, one word is there if you can.
Sir, he's enjoying his work.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, myself Deepa Narayanan here.
Kind of motivation, sir.
Sir.
Yes, please tell me.
Hello, sir. Generally,
एज कुछ मायने नहीं रखती.
so generally it's told an idle mind actually whiles away as age.
No, he
so
can do so many things. He's working so hard.
He also
Sir, is
learn. He want to learn.
He has a
English is
billionaire.
also in different role.
Sir, are you looking for the word passion?
No, not passion right now over here.
Sir, a leader never
He's
retired.
enjoying the work.
Billionaires.
It gives
Okay,
Pride is
him
also
fulfill.
Shall I share the word? Shall I share the word?
Is it
Shall I
dedication?
share the word?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the word is commitment towards his own self. न पूछो कि मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है, न हारूंगा उम्र भर, मैंने किसी और से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है. प्रॉमिस टूट जाता है जो दूसरों से किया जाता है, कमिटमेंट अपने आप से की जाती है, वादा अपने आप से किया जाता है कि जब तक जान में जान है तब तक कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करता रहूंगा. That is the thing.
You can say billionaires also, sir.
Yes, very good. Now, जैसे कि पहले बात हुई, if we want to be a great leader, we need to put aside our ego. We need to only keep self-respect with us. Ego is a termite. अभी recently रतन टाटा को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिया. जब एक अवार्ड शो में मिस्टर नारायण मूर्ति को वो देना था, सबसे पहले अवार्ड देने से पहले उन्होंने रतन टाटा जी के पैर छुए. ब्यूटीफुल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हम्बलनेस, काइंडनेस एंड ईगोलेस. बस इतनी सी बात समुद्र को खल गई. बस इतनी सी बात समुद्र को खल गई कि एक कागज की नाव मुझ पे कैसे चल गई. See, जितना हम we are educated, we have attained degrees, we have tagged or labeled ourselves, I am director, I am so and so. That is the problem. कहते हैं इंसान जितना पढ़ता चला जाता है, जितना एजुकेटेड होता चला जाता है, उतना उसकी ईगो बढ़ती चली जाती है. दीमक है, दीमक खत्म कर देगी. That is the problem with the institutions and organizations. I'm a corporate trainer और सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम वहां पर ईगो की है. आपस में क्लैश है. For no reason. People are coming from their home for the same cause, and that cause is to promote that organization. But पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, आते ही एंटर करते ही अपना ईगो पहले आ जाता है और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पीछे रह जाती है, जिसकी वजह से ब्रेड एंड बटर चल रहा है. That is the problem. Change your mindset. हमें बहुत सारी हमारी धारणाएं हैं, हमारी परसेप्शंस हैं. This thing cannot happen, that thing cannot happen, this thing happened like this only. We are the people of management. हमने पढ़ाई की है तो ऐसा ही होता है. No. एक waiter, one of the best actor of India, Akshay Kumar. Rajnikant, bus conductor, considered as Bhagwan of South India. MS Dhoni, TT, captain, past captain of cricket team. Mary Kom, शादी के बाद थोड़ी कुछ हो सकता है. She brought gold medal for India. हो सकता है. Anything and everything is possible. That is what I'm trying to say you. Change your mindset. Yes, अभी मेरे दोस्त ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही, पैशन की बात कही. My dear friends, I've taken all the points. मुझे लगता नहीं शायद सारे पॉइंट्स के बाद कुछ रह जाएगा. Believe me, PQ is very important. IQ, EQ पीछे रह गया। PQ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जोश, जनून, लगन, निष्ठा, कुछ कर दिखाने का जज्बा। कहते हैं नथिंग ग्रेट कैन बी अचीव्ड विदाउट एंथुजियाज्म। चट्टानों को चटका दे रवानी उसको कहते हैं, जो दिल पे नक्श हो जाए कहानी उसको कहते हैं। नहीं मालूम तुमको करिश्मा किसको कहते हैं, हिला दे जो हिमालय को जवानी जोश उसको कहते हैं। पैशन क्वोशेंट PQ, जनून होना चाहिए कुछ कर दिखाने का। हमारे पेट के अंदर कुछ कर दिखाने की आग होनी चाहिए, तब चीजें आगे बढ़ती हैं। और एक लीडर को देख के तब उसके पीछे लोग फॉलोअर्स बनते हैं और धीरे धीरे फिर वो लीडर्स बनते हैं। यस, थिंक बिग फॉर योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। Why if others can do, why can't you do? If other organizations can do, why can't our organization do? एक बार एक लड़का खड़ा होता है, एक व्यक्ति कार में जा रहा होता है, दूर से देखता है वो लड़का खड़ा हुआ है, उसको लिफ्ट देता है, बिठा लेता है पास में, बोलता है, जब कार चला रहा था बड़े प्राउडली बोलता है, बेटा तुम्हें पता है ये कार मुझे किसने दी? बोलता है किसने दी आपको? बोलता है ये कार मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे गिफ्ट में दी है। कार चलती रहती है, वो लड़का सोच पड़ जाता है, वो व्यक्ति बोलता है मुझे पता है तुम क्या सोच रहे हो, तुम यही सोच रहे हो ना, काश तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त होता जो तुम्हें कार गिफ्ट में देता। वो लड़का बोलता है नहीं, मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा, मैं ये सोच रहा हूं कि काश एक दिन ऐसा आए जब मैं अपने दोस्त को कार गिफ्ट करूं। See the beauty of attitude, beauty of thinking. चीजें कैसे आउटराइटली बदल जाती हैं जब हमारी सोच बदलती है। एक बार करेंसी नोट से किसी ने कहा तुम कितने भी बड़े क्यों ना हो जाओ, रहोगे तो तुम कागज के टुकड़े ही ना। करेंसी के नोट ने जो जवाब दिया, आप सुनने वाला जवाब था, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। करेंसी के नोट ने कहा कि चाहे मैं कागज का टुकड़ा ही हूं, लेकिन कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि इस कागज के टुकड़े को किसी ने डस्टबिन में फेंका हो। See the beauty of answer. जो खोया है उसका गम नहीं, जो पाया है वो भी किसी से कम नहीं। That is attitude. Think big. देखिए दो ही चीजें हमारे पास हैं, या तो you can play the game or you can change the game. Game changer बनना है। Leader is a game changer. He cannot wait and watch. He cannot just keep on seeing and watching and wondering. बदलना पड़ेगा अपने एटीट्यूड को। नजर बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे। कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं, बस दिशाओं को बदल दो, किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाएंगे। That's the beauty of attitude. Change your attitude. Think big. You can do wonders. You can rock this world. You are the raw diamonds. Only you need to have some polish. और जो पॉलिश आपका अब ये FDP में होगा, बिलीव मी, इसके बाद एक आप जबरदस्त लीडर बन के उभरेंगे। देयर इज नो डाउट इन दिस। और एक इंट्रैक्शन में करना चाहता था, टाइम कम है तो, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा सा हम स्टार्ट लेते हैं इसमें। व्हाट चेंजेस यू वुड लाइक टू सी इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज एन एकेडमिक लीडर? क्या चेंजेस आप देखना चाहेंगे एज ए एकेडमिक लीडर? ये मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा। बट दोज हु वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट, फर्स्ट 3 पीपल प्लीज बी फास्ट। आप क्या चेंज देखना चाहेंगे आप अगर एकेडमिक लीडर हैं तो? आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है दीपा। यस,
Good morning, sir. Myself Deepa Narayanan here.
Yes, madam.
Sir, as an assistant professor and who would like to be an academic leader, I would really like to change the education system into partnering the students in each and every step of our teaching and learning. Rather than a teacher and learner, it should be a sort of stakeholder where we learn from each other, and this bookish mode should be changed into more of a practical approach, like projects, case studies, and other things, sir. I look forward for such a debate.
Excellent answer. Big round of applause. Excellent answer. Excellent. And next, please be fast.
Ready? I am Manikam from Radham College, Coimbatore.
Yes, Mr. Manikam, please.
Yeah, need to listen first. The leader should need to listen others. So peer learning. You have to learn from your peer members, and others will be the success of the academic leaders.
Very nice. We learn from each other. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Malcolm sir. Very good. Very nice. Next, please be fast. Last.
Dr. Sembu, sir.
Add on this.
Yes,
what
Supriya madam.
people already,
Instead
already
of going for
considered
any
about.
passive learning, there should
And
be an
also,
active participation of students.
Yes, active participation of students is very, very important. But before that, teacher need to have that passion for the active participation of the students. Then students will participate because you are the role model for your students. आप लोगों को देखकर वो लोग जी रहे हैं, वो लोग सपने बुन रहे हैं, वो लोग उम्मीद रख रहे हैं कि हमारे टीचर्स इतने अच्छे हैं, इतने अच्छे लीडर्स हैं कि वो हमारी दुनिया हमारी जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं.
Yes.
Very nice.
Sir,
Very good.
Can I come in here?
Please tell.
Again, I'm Joyita Shah from Kolkata International Institute of Hotel Management. I feel that, very often we teachers, we underestimate our roles because we are responsible for training, be it college, be it school. We are the ones who are responsible for training and grooming the future leaders. It is, none of them would have become leaders had they not attended any school or colleges. So first we should consider ourselves as leaders of leaders and should be proud of ourselves. And however, we cannot achieve that leadership until and unless we immerse ourselves in self-directed learning and go through the continuous process of change and adaptation and understanding of what is required of the age, of the time, and
Okay. Very nice, Joyita madam. Very nice. आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही. We need to realize that we are leaders. Then only we can make some good change in our organizations. Truly said. We are moving ahead. Very good participation. Very active participation. This program, this session is for you people, and I'm proud that from all over India you have joined and you are doing wonders. Now, before I proceed for my very important slides. If Mr. Suyash is there, or Dr. Pankaj is there, can I extend it to 1 o'clock?
Sir, please end this session as soon as possible. Other resource person is waiting, and we have the inaugural ceremony from AICT from 3 p.m. So that is why we cannot extend it.
Okay. Can I take 15-20 minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, academic leadership is more than academics and administration. Believe this and try to understand this. Now, we need to develop individual development plan. देखिए, सबसे बड़ी बात है. We need to do something for our people. We need not to say कि we will do it, we can do it. ऐसा होता है, वैसा होता है. Nothing. We need to develop plan for them. We need to do mentoring. We need to take care of our people. And you don't want to do you don't have to do anything. Now your people will take care of everything. Right job for the right person. ये बहुत बड़ी leadership की quality है. The leader does not need to be expert in everything. He or she needs to be just good at getting the right people for the right job as per need. Yes, you need to identify people. Shri Narasimha Rao in 1994, when he was Prime Minister, he identified Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, leader of the opposition, and sent him the delegation, UN delegation. वहाँ पे बहुत important representation करना था. अपनी पूरी government में से didn't selected anyone. He selected the leader of opposition, and this is the rarest of rare example because Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji is one of the best orator, and he selected him. Right job for the right person. This is one of the biggest example. जैसे ही आप ईगो को जब साइड पे कर देंगे तो आपके लिए सब अच्छे लोग हो जाएंगे और आप जो सही काम है सही व्यक्ति को देंगे तो अपने आप वो काम बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा. एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देखिए ऐसा देखा गया ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में कि 50% लोग ही एंगेज्ड होते हैं, उससे भी कम % लोग एंगेज्ड होते हैं. बाकी लोग वहां होते हैं बट एज सच बहुत कुछ बड़ा काम नहीं कर रहे होते. आपको सबको एंगेज करना है. अगर आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखिए इसको ऐसे समझिए कि आपके पास अगर 20 लोग हैं और आप सिर्फ 8 लोगों से काम लेकर सेटिस्फाई हो रहे हैं तो आप कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अगर आपको बड़ा काम करना है तो 20 के 20 लोगों को आपको काम पे लगाना होगा. नेक्स्ट इज डेलीगेशन. अथॉरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी गोज हैंड इन हैंड. आप किसी को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देते हैं तो आपको एट द सेम टाइम अथॉरिटी भी देनी पड़ेगी. You're authorized to get this thing done. That is very, very important. And delegation is very, very important. Delegate, एक व्यक्ति सभी काम नहीं कर सकता. उसको लगेगा कि मेरे जैसा अच्छा काम नहीं कर पाएगा ये व्यक्ति, but we need to delegate, we need to train, we need to tell, we need to communicate clearly that this job is to be done in this manner, and slowly that person will be trained. एम्पावरमेंट करना होगा. किसी को काम कहते हैं वो डरता रहता है कि भैया ये काम मुझसे गलत हो गया तो कौन जिम्मेवार होगा. We need to empower that person कि देखिए यहाँ पे मिस्टर सतीश धवन जी का एग्जांपल आएगा. आप ये काम करिए, गलत हो गया तो मैं बैठा हूं, चिंता मत करिए, आप करिए. Then only he can or she can perform. Knowledge sharing. I've seen in the institutes and as a director also I've seen that people send their papers and then other faculty sitting next to him or her is not knowing. People go and attend FDP and other people are not knowing what he has learned, what latest trends in management he has learned, what type of what we are going to teach to our students. अगर हम अपनी नॉलेज को छुपा रहे हैं, बता नहीं रहे हैं कि हमसे कोई दूसरे को ज्यादा फायदा ना हो जाए, अगर हमारी ऐसी सोच है तो हम ट्रांसफर क्या कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स को. डेमोक्रेटिक एनवायरनमेंट होना चाहिए, चुप चुप के काम नहीं होना चाहिए, सबके सामने क्लियर होना चाहिए काम, बिकॉज कोई पर्सनल काम नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पर. फीडबैक, सेल्फ एनालिसिस, द वन हु विल डू सेल्फ एनालिसिस कैन ओनली डू सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. और जिसको सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन होगा वही फीडबैक ले सकता है. वी नीड टू इवैल्यूएट आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. फीडबैक इज द ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ चैंपियंस. हर व्यक्ति में इतनी शक्ति नहीं होती कि वो फीडबैक ले सके. कंपैरिजन किल्स क्रिएटिविटी. आप मीटिंग ले रहे हैं और आप किसी फैकल्टी को कहते हैं कि देखिए आप अच्छा काम नहीं करते हैं, वो देखो ये वाला फैकल्टी यही काम कितने अच्छे से करता है. हो सकता है पर्सन इज गुड इन वन थिंग एंड पर्सन इज नॉट गुड इन अदर थिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम एवरीबडी इज हैविंग कोर कंपिटेंसीज, कोर क्वालिटीज. हर व्यक्ति हर काम नहीं कर सकता. मछली पेड़ पे नहीं चढ़ सकती. कंपैरिजन किल्स क्रिएटिविटी. कंपैरिजन कभी नहीं करना चाहिए, कोलैबोरेट करना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट अपलिफ्टिंग अदर्स. घर पे हम क्या करते हैं, एक फैमिली की तरह रहते हैं, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हैं, एक दूसरे को धक्का तो नहीं देते ना. मान लो 2 सन है घर में, तो एक किसी चीज में अच्छा है, किसी चीज में अच्छा है. वी नेवर डिस्कार्ड देम, थ्रो देम आउट कि तुम घर से बाहर जाओ भैया, तुम इस चीज में अच्छे नहीं हो. सेम वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ए फैमिली. यू स्पेंड मैक्सिमम टाइम इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वहां से हमारा ब्रेड बटर चल रहा है. आपको अपलिफ्ट करना है, एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना है. आप देखिए उसके बाद हाउ द थिंग्स विल चेंज. एक बस, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन. एक बस जा रही थी पंजाब में, चलते चलते बस रुक गई. 12 बड़े बड़े सरदार भाई उतरे नीचे और ड्राइवर ने कहा, बच्चे लेडीज बैठी थी, भाई बस तो अभी फटाफट चल पड़ेगी. 12 लोग धक्का देने के लिए उतरे हैं. थोड़ी देर बाद देखा कि बस तो चली नहीं है. थोड़ी देर बाद लोगों ने उठ के देखा तो क्या पाया कि 6 लोग पीछे से धक्का दे रहे थे और 6 लोग आगे से धक्का दे रहे थे. That is the problem with all the departments and organizations. Few people are working positively, few people are working negatively. Organization is at the same place. No to politics. जैसे डॉक्टर सुरेखा डंगवाल जी ने बोला, जहां पॉलिटिक्स होगी वहां पे काम नहीं होगा. We are just imagining that हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बढ़ेगा बढ़ेगा बढ़ेगा, because politics है तो there will be nothing. We are not coming to the college, university or institute for doing politics. We are not paid for that. We need to justify our work, our job. Efficiency और effectiveness में बहुत important है. Efficiency हम कितनी efficiency से हम काम करते हैं, फटाफट काम करते हैं, और effectiveness है कि हम काम दूसरों से कितनी अच्छे से ले पाते हैं. These two things are very different. We need to understand these two things and these two things. Again, ये दोनों चीजें बहुत important है. Flexi approach होना चाहिए. What I've learned in management is being flexible. Rigid approach से management नहीं की जा सकती है, because we take the formulas, स्टेटमेंट्स जो हमने डेफिनेशंस पढ़ी होती हैं, लेकिन हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन हर मिनट टू मिनट बदल जाता है. यही चीज भागवत गीता में है. अर्जुन को बताया कि तुम अपने विचारों को बदलो. होल भागवत गीता इज अबाउट चेंज मैनेजमेंट. Nothing has happened in that except change in mindset of Arjuna. Stakeholder satisfaction is very, very important. Believe me, if I'm doing something good sitting over here, I'm thinking I'm feeling good. No. If my people, my students, their parents in the society, we're not giving good image, they are not satisfied, I'm doing nothing at my place, whatever I may be doing sitting over here. Yes. Can you recognize this madam? Anybody can recognize her? कोई बता सकता है ये कौन है?
Today morning session chief guest.
Great. Dr. Shambhu has perfectly recognized her. Yesterday I was listening her one video. इन्होंने कुछ ऐसी बातें कही जो मैं यहाँ पर बहुत कहता हूँ अपने लोगों को, और मुझे लगा कि ये कोट करने वाली बातें हैं. बिलीव मी, जितना भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, अब 5 दिन आपको इन्हीं में से सब बताया जाएगा. आज अगर आप ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं, आपका फाउंडेशन बन गया, आपकी नींव बन गई, अब आपकी बिल्डिंग और लीडरशिप बहुत जबरदस्त आगे जाएगी. इन्होंने एक बात कही कि जब हमने रात को एक्सटेंड करने की कोशिश करी लाइब्रेरी, तो मैंने कहा कि तुम 10 बजे 12 बजे तक खोलो. मैं कैंपस में रहती हूँ, मैं हो सकता है कि तुम्हारे साथ 10 बजे कॉफी पीने आ जाऊं. स्टूडेंट्स को जब इन्होंने बात कही तो स्टूडेंट्स वर वेरी हैप्पी, एंड दैट शुड बी द अप्रोच. That should be the approach. इन्होंने एक कहा अपने उसमें कि जब मैं बनी तो बहुत नैनीताल के लोगों ने, बहुत पौड़ी गढ़वाल के लोगों ने बहुत उसको अच्छा कहा कि हमारे यहाँ से फीमेल इस पोस्ट पे पहुंची है. और इन्होंने अपनी बातों में एक थैंक यू कहा. उसको किसको थैंक यू कहा? एक पेड़ को, जहां ये वो बीच में पेड़ आता था, वो छाएदार पेड़ था. जब कॉलेज से घर जाते तो वहां ये रेस्ट करते थे. काफी छोटे होते की बात है. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि ग्रेटिट्यूड, एक पेड़ को भी ग्रेटिट्यूड किया, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए. तो हमारे लिए कितने लोगों ने आज कुछ किया होगा, तभी हम यहाँ पर हैं. हम एक शब्द नहीं उनको थैंक्स का बोल सकते, हमारी ईगो आ जाती है. वी नीड टू हैव ए वेरी बिग हार्ट फॉर दैट. ग्रेटिट्यूड एक बड़ा दरवाजा है. जिस दिन आप ग्रेटिट्यूड की भावना आप अपने अंदर रखोगे, उस दिन यूनिवर्स आपको कुछ इतना कुछ दे देगा कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. और जब आपके पास कुछ होगा, तभी आप दुनिया को बांट सकते हैं. देन ओनली यू कैन गिव समथिंग टू दिस वर्ल्ड. स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक अप्रोच होना चाहिए. आई एम सिटिंग ऑन दिस चेयर ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. अगर स्टूडेंट्स नहीं होंगे तो कोई टीचर नहीं होगा, और कोई टीचर नहीं होगा तो डायरेक्टर प्रिंसिपल नहीं होगा. स्टूडेंट की वजह से हमारा वजूद है, और उन स्टूडेंट्स को पूछना, उनका ध्यान रखना हमारा फर्ज है, हमारी पहली ड्यूटी है. नो फियर इन मीटिंग एनी, कमिंग टू एनी ऑफिस ऑफ एनी डायरेक्टर. अगर मेरे ऑफिस में आने में किसी को डर लगे, बिलीव मी, आई एम डूइंग नथिंग सिटिंग ओवर हियर. फियर फैक्टर जहां पे होगा, वहां पे परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होगी. जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में वाइस चांसलर, डायरेक्टर, डीन के ऑफिस में जाने में, हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट के ऑफिस में जाने में लोगों को डर लगे, समझ लेना वहां पे कुछ गलत है. हम यहाँ किसी को डराने धमकाने के लिए नहीं बैठे हुए, अपनी नॉलेज बताने के लिए नहीं बैठे हुए. हम दूसरों को अपने साथ, उनको बढ़ाने के लिए बैठे हैं, उनको अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं. Cultural change is very important, believe me. Louis V. Garsner ने जूनियर एक्स CEO of IBM ने बड़ी अच्छी बात कही. कहते पोस्टर, स्लोगन, पेपर वर्क, प्रेजेंटेशन इनफ नहीं है. आपको ओवरऑल कल्चर चेंज, अगर आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ओवरऑल कल्चर चेंज होता है, तो समझ लेना आप कुछ बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर, और वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अब आगे बढ़ने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता है. और आई एम कमिंग टू एंड टू माय प्रेजेंटेशन. बिलीव मी, अगर आप चाहते हैं आपके लोग सिर्फ हाथों और पैरों से काम ना करें, दिलों और दिमाग से काम करें, तो खुश रहना सीखिए, अपने एम्प्लॉयज को खुश रखना सीखिए. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. I've seen people, especially on the high post, they are so serious. वो सोचते हैं सीरियस रहने से शायद हमारा दबदबा बढ़ जाएगा, सीरियस रहने से शायद काम ज्यादा हो जाएगा. No, always remain happy. This thing is going to change the environment of your organization. जहाँ खुश रहते हैं लोग, वहां पे बहुत जल्दी चीजें बदलती हैं. Believe me, जिंदगी में जीना जरूरी है, जीने के लिए अरमान जरूरी है. चाहे जिंदगी में हो कितने भी गम, लेकिन चेहरे पे मुस्कान जरूरी है. This is a beautiful thing which I wanted to say. Best wishes, God bless you, and believe me, we all are from the teaching fraternity, and we all are doing a great job. God has given us the opportunity to serve others. मैं समझता हूँ इससे बड़ा कोई काम नहीं हो सकता, इससे बड़ा भगवान हमारे लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकते. And we are really thankful to God of teaching fraternity. आप लोगों के लिए, पूरे हिंदुस्तान से जो आप लोग जुड़े हैं, आप लोग एक बड़ी सोच और बड़े काम के लिए जुड़े हैं, आप लोग कुछ बड़ा करने वाले हैं। आप लोगों के लिए मैं लास्ट में जो कहने जा रहा हूं उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा। माना कि इस जहां को गुलशन ना बना सकेंगे हम, हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है कि हम पूरी दुनिया को ना बदल पाए। माना कि इस जहां को गुलशन ना बना सकेंगे हम, लेकिन कांटे जरूर होंगे कम, गुजरेंगे जिधर से हम। थैंक यू वंस अगेन, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बेस्ट विशेस, गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड टीम FET, big round of applause for you people. You have done a very good job and you're doing a good job. और एक जो टीम स्पिरिट आपने दिखाई है, आप लोगों ने जो जज्बा दिखाया काम का, सैल्यूट है आप लोगों को। एंड आई बिलीव ऑल ऑफ अस शुड सैल्यूट टू FET, डॉक्टर पंकज मदान एंड हिज टीम, जिन्होंने जबरदस्त काम करके दिखाया है। थैंक यू वंस अगेन, गॉड ब्लेस यू, बेस्ट विशेस।
Thank you, sir.
Any queries anybody would like to ask anything?
Hello, sir. I am Dr. Sembu.
Yes, Dr. Shambhu.
Lord Krishna has given 100 opportunities for the persons who
No,
do
no.
mistake, who has done mistake. So how to handle some of the employees who are given enough number of opportunities and still not willing to change themselves?
Dr. Shambhu, things may not change immediately, but when everybody with the same mindset will proceed ahead, the people with not that mindset, they will join you maybe later on. क्या होता है, एकदम माइंड एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता कुछ चीजों को। कुछ लोग समझते हैं नहीं नहीं ये तो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, ये तो ऐसे ही करते हैं। चेंजेस आती हैं, उसमें कुछ टाइम लग सकता है। देखिए आप पॉजिटिव नेचर के हैं, आपको 10 बार नेगेटिव कोई बात बताएगा फिर भी पॉजिटिव रहेंगे, तो वो व्यक्ति समझ जाएगा भाई मैं ये बात नेगेटिव की बात एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं होती यहाँ पर।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
It is a question of patience. We need to wait.
Yes. Time, with the passage of time, things will be better.
Yes. Thank you.
Sir, this is Nishant here. Am I audible?
Yes, Mr. Nishant. Yes, you are from which place?
Sir, you said about, I am Nishant from AITD Goa, basically assistant professor mechanical engineering. So at times you said, no, so this fear factor, most of the institutions run with this system only. If there is fear, then only things will happen. Then only the employees will work. Because I think it is taking a bit it is like a drastic change, I can say. Many people do not want to. They think that even a little bit of freedom is given, if that smile is given, then the work will not happen. So how can we as employees bring about that?
Nishant, your question is very relevant. Actually, this is perception, believe me. आप imagine कीजिए, team is playing on the ground and coach is wondering players like anything. He is watching them. वो देख रहे हैं और वो कह रहे हैं भैया तूने गलती करी तो मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं। Can a player can perform in that situation?
No, he cannot perform. That is what happened.
Simple. देखिए इसमें देखिए compliance is other thing. Whatever we are doing, there should be compliance. If person is not complying to the things, you can have a number of punishments to them. But that protocol behavior is something different. देखिए परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होगा, जहां फियर फैक्टर होगा वह 100% परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होगा। अगर आप 100% परफॉर्मेंस लेंगे तभी तो आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल टू लेवल चेंज करता चला जाएगा।
Okay, sir. What's the problem with this, sir? Hello? हाँ, प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि ना कभी कभी जो अपर लेवल है, हायर मैनेजमेंट होता है, उनको ऐसा अभी वो ट्यून हो गए है कि अगर फियर फैक्टर रहेगा तभी काम हो पाएगा। तो हमारे जैसे यंग एम्प्लॉइज के मन में हम कैसे इसको, like how do we take it forward? Because now we in another 5-10 years maybe we might be going to that position, right? So we do not want to be that.
निशान जी बोल रहे हैं ना? निशान जी कौन बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ, मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ।
निशान जी देखिए ऐसा है, I agree to your point. Mostly things are happening like this. तभी तो हम लीडरशिप की बात कर रहे हैं। तभी तो हम क्या चेंज की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, यही तो चीजें आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं कि एक्चुअली लीडरशिप टू द नेक्स्ट, सस्टेनेबल लीडरशिप की बात हुई, एथिकल लीडरशिप की बात हुई, लीडरशिप विदाउट फियर की बात हुई। यही तो चीजें हैं जो बहुत हमको लेवल चेंज करेंगी हमारा। यही तो चीजें हैं जो आज हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम जहां पर है उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल तक लेके जाएंगी। उसके लिए आप जैसे लोगों की जरूरत है। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप 200 लोग 2 लाख लोगों को इफेक्ट डाल सकते हैं इफ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड सर्टेन थिंग्स।
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Nishan.
Just to add one more point, I welcome from Ratnam Group of Institution, Coimbatore, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, one more leadership quality is a clear communication. See, the transparent system to be implemented, and whatever we wanted, clearly communicate to the maybe who are under who are working. Because without telling, we should. I never say they are not able to understand. I would like to accept my. I am not able to communicate clearly. Every people will come and ask you all. And instead of what Nishant asked, instead of asking or putting in the punishment, you appreciate the people who are doing well, it automatically get up. That's how it will work out, sir.
Perfectly said. That definitely communication should be very good and very clear at the same time. There should be no ambiguity and there should be no hidden anything.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
yes, please
sir.
tell me.
I am Dr.
Yes, yes.
Jasmine from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. So in this
Yes, please tell me.
context, I want to add one point, that is the universal human values. There is a course initiated by the AICT for all tiers of employees. Yeah, it is helping everybody to proceed with right understanding themselves and understanding other people in the environment and go ahead. I think it is implemented in all institutions under AICT, and all the faculties has to undergo within 2 years. I think that is a compulsory rule.
Very nice, very nice. And that is very important and need of the hour. Universal human values are need to be inculcated. Character building is very, very important. Very, very important. Character is the foundation of any building, of any
Sir,
human
but
life.
the true fact it is that even though the people have undergone that, they are not implementing. Even I can see in our institution also. I think it is that.
I just want to add one more thing, sir. Very simple. निशान सर जी ने कहा, ठीक है, fear factor तो रहता है, लेकिन यदि perform करके हम सामने ला देंगे, तो शायद उनको भी डराने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा. So just one line I want to add, very sharp, very short. So I think it is clear. अरोड़ा सर, मैं जो ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि fear factor तो रहता है टॉप का, लेकिन हम perform करके देंगे, तो वो भी दोबारा हमको fear नहीं होगा ना सर. वो भी जानेंगे she is performing well, she is good. तो again fear factor is maybe it going to dissolve.
रुचि मैम, देखिए यहाँ पे हम किस अदर कंटेक्स्ट में फियर फैक्टर की बात कर रहे हैं कि डरा के काम लेने की. देखिए आपने एक बार अगर आपने काम अच्छा किया है तो वो फियर नहीं होगा, वो बात सही है. लेकिन मान लो काम गलत भी हो गया तो क्या काम करेंगे तो काम गलत होगा ना.
Sir, it's a request to conclude the session. Can we have the conclusion of this session? We can take.
हाफ मिनट सर, हाफ मिनट. अरोड़ा सर, मैं ये कह रही हूँ, जैसे मैं रुचि हूँ और आप हैं, आप मेरे बॉस हैं, और मैं आपकी वजह से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रही, तो मेरा ये कहना है हम परफॉर्म करेंगे. अरोड़ा सर एक बार डांटेंगे, 2 बार डांटेंगे ना, तीसरी बार वो खुद जानेंगे ना रुचि अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है, तो उनको अब नहीं डांटना है. बस दैट मच ओनली. थैंक यू.
देखिए मैं आपको, मेरा अगर कभी डांटना भी होगा तो वो एक स्पेसिफिक जॉब को कैसे करना है उसके कंटेक्स्ट में होगा. वो बात होगी उस काम को ऐसे करना है इतना यहाँ तक, उसके बाद डांटना नहीं होगा. और सिंपल सी बात, अगर आप काम गलत भी करोगे तो काम आप कर रहे हो तो ही तो आप गलत कर रहे हो ना. जो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. एक व्यक्ति काम ही नहीं कर रहा, दैट इज रॉन्ग. गुड क्वेश्चन, बहुत अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन आप लोगों का रहा. आई थिंक वी शुड कंक्लूड नाउ एंड थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग सम एक्स्ट्रा टाइम एंड वी हैव कंक्लूडेड आवर सेशन नाइसली. यस प्लीज.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this nice session. Now we can conclude this session with report. Dr. Ajay Malik, sir.
I want to invite our rector.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
That is Dr. Ajay Malik, sir. Please.
Thank you very much, ma'am. सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. First of all, I wish and pray to Goddess Ganga for your sound health. It's my real pleasure to present the report of this session. Before present the report, sir, just I want to say one thing कि अरोड़ा सर आपके गले में माँ सरस्वती का वास है. ऐसा मन करता है कि सर आपको सुनते ही रहें.
Thank you very much.
We have heard excellent presentation from you, sir. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Here are some key points of this presentation. सर आपने अपना presentation start किया. बड़ों का आशीर्वाद और प्रभु का हाथ हो तो कुछ भी मुमकिन नहीं है. Leadership is breaking all the records. Leadership is not inspire people. फिर आपने कहा कोशिश करने वाले की हार नहीं होती. निश्चित रूप से सर, अगर आप कोशिश करेंगे तो if you want to achieve anything, you can achieve each and everything. आपने फोकस किया सर, लीडरशिप मैटर्स. जैसे आपने कोविड का कहा कि हम लोगों ने वैक्सीन बनाई, तो वी आर लीडिंग द होल नेशन. यू स्पोक अबाउट इजराइल एंड जापान. यू रिवील्ड चाणक्य नीति. लर्न फ्रॉम, आपने बताया कि लर्न फ्रॉम अदर्स मिस्टेक, कि दूसरों की गलतियों से हमें सीखना चाहिए. लॉर्ड कृष्णा के बारे में आपने बताया. यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल, कि हर आदमी के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ करने का पोटेंशियल होता है, उसको निखारना ही एक लीडर की क्वालिटी है. आपने एग्जाम्पल दिया भक्ति शर्मा का, अरुणिमा सिन्हा का, दीपा मलिक का, माझी का, माइकल फिलिप का. और फिर आपने कहा सर कि लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज के ऊपर आपने बात की. एम्स एंड गोल्स के बारे में आपने बताया सर. टीम बिल्डिंग के बारे में बताया कि हाउ टीम इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बिलीव इन योर टीम वर्क बिकॉज एवरीवन हैव डिफरेंट कोर क्वालिटीज. इंडिविजुअल विन द गेम, टीम विन द चैंपियनशिप. कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में आपने बताया सर. ईगो के बारे में बताया कि लीडर शुड बी ईगोलेस. चेंज ऑफ माइंड सेट का बताया सर. जोश, जुनून और जज्बे का बताया सर. निश्चित रूप से सर ऐसा मन कर रहा था कि आपको सुनते ही जाएं. समय की पाबंदी है, एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन है सर. तो मैं पुनः ऑर्गेनाइजर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा अगर पॉसिबल हो तो सर को फिर से एक बार हमारे बीच लाया जाए. और निश्चित रूप से सर कभी समय ठीक रहा तो मैं गुरुकुल कांगड़ी से बोल रहा हूँ, मदान सर से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आपसे लाइव इंटरेक्शन करने का मौका मिले. इट वाज रियली ए फैंटास्टिक प्रेजेंटेशन सर, एंड दिस वाज शॉर्ट was presented here. Thank you sir. Once again I request and invite our chairperson ma'am for summarize the session. Ma'am, please, over to you. Thank you.
मैम अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
I request ma'am to please mute yourself as we are not able to hear you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Please give vote of thanks to our speaker and give a very short summary of the lecture so that we can continue with it.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Vikash Arora ji, for the wonderful session. In fact, this was a very vibrant session with lots of participants coming forward and giving their views. Due to owing to the shortage of time, I would like to thank Vikash Arora ji, Dr. Pankaj sir, Dr. Suyash, and Dr. Diksha for wonderfully coordinating this session. And I will invite Diksha for making the further announcements of the next session. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you so much, respected Dr. Vikash Arora sir, for the wonderful session.